Hello guys, today we will do the unboxing of Gear Cube and Gear Shift. So here are the both cubes in this. I just ordered it and they just come. I just opened it already to just help me out. So, let's take it out. So here's the bill. It's the bill. I just ordered it from eBay. And here are the cubes. So yes, it's right here. The cubes are right here. They're really awesome. Oh, it shifts really well. Whoa, it's really awesome. Like it's fully jumbled up. It's not like the 3 into 3 has just done once and does not do anything. But in this, it's like this. Let me show you. That if you turn this side corner, the middle row also just turn up. So it's really amazing thing in this gear cube. And let's move on to the gear shift. So here is the gear shift. Yeah, it's awesome. Whoa, it's look awesome. So it's the gear shift, and I think so it's really better than 2 into 2. As it we can just do this. We can just pull it out and just move the pieces. Just smash it. We can do it to any side. Just do it like this, then smash it. So it's really awesome. I kind of liked it. It's like creepy, really. It's really awesome. And like it really. So this was the unboxing of both cubes, and I liked it really. And because like their new mechanism, and please like if it helped you, and please comment if you have any queries. Thank you.